This initiative from Independence Blue Cross gave us the chance to really recognize one of the most important people in our school, and there are opportunities for us to share what we do, and particularly what someone like Nurse Kathy does.
I am so excited and honored to have received this award for the Celebrate Caring.
One of our staff members started a campaign around here, so secretly we whispered around and suggested that people make a nomination. And so we've had parents and staff members alike writing some pretty heartfelt stuff about Nurse Kathy.
Nursing is a true passion of mine. I've been doing it for over 30 years. I've been inspired by my mom, and I'm very happy to be in a school district and among principal as well as students who are very supportive.
Pocopson Elementary School was amazing this morning. The energy that was in the room, the love and caring that everyone has for Nurse Kathy. There's just so much energy around the school and what Nurse Kathy has done for the students here.